4 tires.
Appreciate you, boss.
Have a good day.
You too, you too. You got a box?
Yeah.
Are they all the same?
Yeah, they're all the same. So this is pretty exciting. This is our first set of tires sponsored by Kumho. So they sent over the Exta PS91s and we're gonna give them a try, see how they work out. We got 2 25/40s. I got 4 of the same size. I don't know what I'm gonna put them on yet. I know one of the set is gonna go on top Battles, but we have to see what we're gonna put the other set on, or the other pair on. Cool, huh?
Super stoked.
And we also got more samples of hoodies. We tried some on and we just want to get the best fit, or I guess a really good quality hoodie for you guys. So we wanted to try some new blanks. So those are inside this box. I'm pretty excited. This is cool, huh?
First sponsored tires.
First sponsored tires.
What's your problem? 'Cause I know it's hard sometimes. Maybe just give it some time. Oh, honey, now, girl, we can solve them. If you just give me some time, I can open up your mind. If you let.
What's up, guys? So we just took a trip out to Tahoe today to check out some of the meets going on at Lake Tooele out here. We haven't been back. We went to one a few years ago and it was pretty cool. So we decided to drive out here. You know, it's about a 2.5 hour drive away from where we're at. So it's not too bad. It's freezing. I don't know if you can see, it's like lightly hailing or snowing. It's pretty cold for us at least. So we're gonna walk around and check. There's a lot bigger turnout than I thought there was gonna be. But there's some cool cars.
Yeah, there's a pretty good amount of
There's a yellow S15 right there that we're just checking out. So you guys will see that too. It's super dope.
Yeah, we've never seen an S15 in person.
Nah, but yeah, let's take a look at what they brought out today. It's snowing.
It is?
Yeah, look.
It's snow?
It is. It's not rain.
It is snowing?
Snowing slash hailing. Look, it's falling in Katie's hair.
Oh yeah, it is. Is that an S15? Excuse me. Wow. It's what? What?
It's a real S15. I thought it was gonna be like a conversion.
That's so cool.
Look at this car.
I haven't seen an S15 in person before.
This is the first one, and it's a yellow, my favorite color.
Is this a factory yellow color?
Yeah.
Oh really?
It came in yellow. Which is pretty cool, huh?
That is cool.
I want to see where it's plated. Where's it plated at?
I know there's no plates in the front.
There's no plates on it.
No plates? Yeah, it's kind of hard.
Yeah, it's falling now.
It's coming. It was hitting my forehead too.
Oh, I made my eyeball.
It went in your eyeball?
Damn, it's coming down now.
It is. I can see it.
Jeez. Just had lunch at Big Daddy Burgers, so we're actually gonna go to our ice cream spot that we usually go to when we come over here too. We're just chilling in the, I think this is like the Heavenly Plaza or shopping center or something like that, but it's a pretty cool place to just walk around. We're just chilling. It's cold as heck.
It's cold.
It's way colder than a colder.
We're gonna go up this cool looking staircase right there.
Okay.
We're gonna go to the kitchen. Let's go.
To the kitchen. Ice cream place is upstairs.
Okay.
Where's the ice cream? Let's see. Let's see.
Why am I tired just walking up that stairs? It's so crowded. It's so fun.
Yes.
Alright, so we have...
Hey, Tammy. Hey, baby.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
This one is really good.
This ice cream is really good too. This is the place we go to, Baked Bear.
It's really good.
It's really good.
Can you hold this, please?
These flavors are so good. This one is coffee ice cream with fudge, Oreos, and brownie. That's a really good combo.
Can't even drink Cristal on this one. I got my Gotcha 9-7 on right now. You gotta puff a J to this one. Can't roll a blunt up to this one.
What's your name?
So I see some ladies tonight. This shit be rolling with Jason. Jason.
What's your name?
So I see some ladies tonight.
I'm ready to go. Bro.
One night song, but she don't like him. She never met him. Groupies try to take advantage of him. He won't let him. He don't need him. So he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me. She don't agree with him. She's mad at that. He's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon. The friends tagging along. The flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He two-ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces after all of her phrases. Either she the one or I'm caught in the matrix. Who fucking let the bitch burn? Red or green pill. You live and you learn. Come on.
We just came back from eating ice cream and it started to snow on the way back, or like hail. Is it hail or is it snow?
It's snowing. The weather says snow. Yeah, look, it's all over the windshield. See it? You might be able to see it.
Oh yeah,
Snowing.
it is snow. You're not prepared for snow today?
I'm not prepared for snow ever in my life.
Ever in your whole life?
I grew up on an island. We don't have
There's so
snow.
much on the window.
Okay guys, so that's pretty much gonna sum it up for the little day trip that we took. Originally we came out here to check out the cars and stuff like that. We weren't anticipating it for snow, which is pretty crazy because it got cold and windy and snowy really quickly. But other than that, it was pretty cool. There was a lot of a big turnout, more than I expected, to be honest. Especially because there was no like official Lake 2O meet like there was the other year. So it was pretty cool to see a bunch of cars. It's just cool to make a little day trip out of it. So yeah, we're gonna head back home right now because it's raining or snowing, and we want to make sure we get over the mountain before dark. And yeah guys, check you later.